Sri Nanasagar Coaching Classes YouTube channel. To get more video, please subscribe this channel. Student, today we discuss about the next chapter of the Mathematics Part 2nd, 9th standard. The name of the chapter is, chapter number 3rd is the triangles. Now in this, first we have to discuss about very important theorem. This is called as the remote interior angle theorem. Now for this, first I have to tell you that how many angles of the exterior, how many exterior angles of the triangles. Now first I have to draw one figure here. Suppose this is any one triangle here, triangle PQR. Student, each triangle having 6 exterior angles. Now first, suppose you have to extend this side, then this is one angle which is exterior. Exterior means to the exterior part of the triangle. Now when we draw this or extend this, then this is the second exterior angle. Then extend to this side also, this is third exterior angle. And when we extend this PQ, then this is fourth exterior angle. And when we extend it, this is fifth one. And we extend this one, then at that time this is sixth one. Means that there are 6 exterior angles here. Now, and this is the pair of opposite angles here. There are 3 pairs of opposite angles and 6 exterior angles for any triangle. Now student, we use this property also, and we have to study about the very important theorem. And the name of that theorem is remote interior angle theorem of a triangle. Now up to this, we have to discuss one important theorem, which is the sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree, which is in second chapter, parallel lines. Okay, we use this theorem also to solve this theorem. Now look carefully how to solve this theorem. Now the statement of this theorem is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. What is meant by remote? Remote मराठीमध्ये आपण रिमोट म्हणजे दूरचे म्हणतो. दूरचे म्हणजे त्या एक्स्ट्रा अँगलचे दूरचे अँगलच्या ॲडिशन इतकी या एक्स्ट्रा अँगलची मेजरमेंट असते. नाउ फॉर दिस आय हॅव टू ड्रॉ वन फिगर हियर. सपोज दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल PQR and this triangle PR and S is exterior angle. Now this is our exterior angle. Look carefully student. The measure of an exterior angle means that angle PRS is exterior angle. The measure of this angle is equals to the sum of its remote interior angle. Now its sum of its remote. Now this angle is interior angle and this is the remote angles. Mean that measure of this angle is equal to sum of these two angles we have to show here. Now for this I have to take its given to prove and prove. Now look carefully. Now given is, by using this statement, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle. So I have to take here angle PRS is exterior angle of triangle PQR. Okay, then to prove. Now the measure of this exterior angle means that measure of angle PRS is equals to sum of its remote interior angle means that sum of these two angles means that angle PQR plus angle QPR. Measure of the angle we write also measure here. Measure of angle QPR plus measure of angle PQR. Now for this, its proof is so simple but very important theorem. Now first we use the theorem. Sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So I have taken in triangle PQR. Sum of all angles means that angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equals to how much? 180 degree. This is equation number first, and reason is that sum of all angles of student, look carefully. The addition of these two angles is 180 degree. So I have to write here angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equals to also 180 degree. I have to take here this is equation second. Reason is that angles in linear pair. Okay. From this first and second, observe carefully. This side RHS is equal 180 degree, 180 degree. So I have to write here from equation first and second. 180, 180 is same. Therefore, this part LHS is also same. Means that angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equals to angle PRQ plus angle PRS. Student, look carefully. This is equal side. The opposite side of that equal sign, the same values are present having same sign, so they get cancelled. So remaining here angle PQR plus angle QPR is equals to angle PRS. Means we write here, that is, I will write here measure of angle PRS is equals to measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle QPR. And look carefully, this is measure of angle PRS is equals to measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle QPR, and hence it is true. Hence it is true. Can you understand this? So simple but very, very important thing. Okay, we take next part. Student, then we see the property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Now student, all of you know that sum of two positive numbers a and b, that is a plus b, is greater than a and greater than b. Means that sum of any two number, any two positive number is greater than any one of the numbers. That is greater than a and greater than b also. That is a plus b is greater than a and a plus b is greater than b. Means that sum of the any two number is greater than any one of these numbers. Using this inequality, we get one property related to exterior angle of a triangle. Now student, look at this figure. This triangle PQR having exterior angle PRS. Now the property is that this exterior angle, we have to discuss about the theorem. Measure of the exterior angle of any triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. Mean that sum of these two angles is equals to this angle PRS. Means this angle is greater than any one of the angle. Means that angle P also, and this angle PRS is also greater than angle Q. This property arises from these points here. Now here, if angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR, then angle PRS is greater than angle P and angle PRS is also greater than angle Q. Therefore, an exterior angle of triangle is greater than its remote interior angle. An exterior angle of triangle is greater than its remote interior angle. Now student, then we discuss about the next practice set of this chapter, third triangle, in next page.